G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to unbox a 10th generation iPad. This is the Wi-Fi version. Okay, on the back of the box it says 64GB iPad 10th generation, Wi-Fi. Okay, that's the package it comes in. iPad, obviously that's a store number. Okay, Apple. Okay, now when I got this package, there's no plastic on the outside of it, so I'm not sure if they're taking it off in the shop, but there's a sticker there that you have to peel off to open it, which we're going to do right now. So I'm just going to grab the tab, peel the tab off there. There's one on the other side, peel that off. Okay, so which way is up, I'm not sure. How this should slide up, hopefully. There you go. So we're looking inside. The lid's well made, nice and sturdy, thick cardboard. It's a good thing with Apple products, they're really well packaged. That's what's inside. Okay, so we'll just lift this up. There you go. Now inside, I'll just put this down here for now, the iPad on there. Inside the package we've got designed by Apple in California. There you go, so obviously a few product details in there. We'll read that later, the instruction. Now inside the package we have our charging cable. Now with the iPad 10th generation, they've gone from a lightning connector to a USB-C connector, which is a better connector in my view. So the cable there, I think that's a 1 meter cable from memory. You can buy them in longer lengths. There's a 20-watt adapter as well. And that's pretty much it. The rest of the package is just cardboard. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm pretty sure this says 20 watts somewhere. I can't read it at the moment. So you have your adapter, your charging cable, and obviously your iPad. Okay, so we'll move this over here to the side for a minute while we do actually have a look inside. Now there's a tab there, we pull up, plastic paper, or paper I should say, almost like baking paper, that type of paper, like baking paper, if you know it. So you open it up, take that away, or chuck that away, and there's our new iPad. And that's the Apple logo there, camera, obviously a sensor there, it's got front cameras here somewhere I think with the microphone there rather than on the top, so you can have it in landscape mode when you're talking to someone rather than portrait mode, which is good. There's no button on the 10th gen. So it's all up the top here, I think. Button, I'll have to start it up for the first time. So you've got your speakers up here, speaker holes, you've got your power button and your touch sensors up here as well. You've got these 3 circles here, I think they're the contacts for the Magic Keyboard. So if you buy the Magic Keyboard, it acts like a laptop, which I haven't got. USB-C charging port and speaker holes there as well. I think, yeah, on both ends, and that's it. Fantastic. So you've got your iPad, charging cable, power adapter, brick, block, whatever you want to call it, documentation, and that's the box. Now, I also purchased a Lexar Professional dual slot USB-C reader. It's a mouthful. Now basically this plugs into the USB-C slot of the iPad, and it can take standard SD cards and micro SD cards. So basically when I film anything from either my GoPro or my Insta360 X3 camera or any of my drones, I can take the cards out, plug them into here or push them into here, plug it into the iPad and transfer files across. So I can open that as well. So this is a bonus opening. If I can open the packaging, so we'll just grab our little trusty knife. Let me just take these tabs off without stabbing my fingers. So just bear with me a minute. So let's take that out. Okay, so it's pretty much all packaging there as well, and that's the card reader. So it's a USB connector. So let's take that away, and that's pretty much it. So at the front here, I'm not sure if you can see, there's two little slots. The largest slot for standard SD cards, and then the micro SD up the top. So there's two slots. So basically your memory card goes in there. This plugs into the base of the iPad, and then you can access your files from any other device and put them on the iPad. Or the opposite, you can actually, you know, sort of put anything that you've got on the iPad onto this and then transfer it somewhere else, which is good. Cool. So that's handy. That was $39. $39 from JB Hi-Fi. $39.90, I think it is, something like that. I can't actually see it. Actually $39 even. And I think the iPad was 749 Australian dollars. But that is the Wi-Fi version. It's not the 5G version, or the cellular version, I should say, where you can actually get a plan. This is just Wi-Fi, which is all I need. Yeah, so that's the whole video of unboxing my new iPad and Lexa card reader. Yeah, USB-C card reader. Oh, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.